Hello, welcome back to my channel. You are watching In Flavor with Shamika. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make spicy street style Szechuan noodles at home. These are really easy to make and can be compiled in just 5 minutes if you have everything ready. On this channel, I make videos related to food recipes. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment in the comment section below. I've listed a few recipes in the description box below. Do check those recipes also if you like to. If you are new here, consider subscribing for simple and quick recipes. Hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new recipe. Let's begin our today's video. For this recipe, we will require 1 packet Hakka noodles, 1.5 cup sliced cabbage, 1 cup sliced green capsicum, 1 cup sliced carrot, half cup sliced spring onion bulbs, half cup spring onion greens, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoon chopped green chilies, 3 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoon homemade Szechuan sauce. I'll give a link to the Szechuan sauce recipe in the description box below. First we'll cook our noodles. For that I have taken water in a pot. To that I'll add some salt and oil. Let this come to a good boil. You can cook the noodles according to the instructions on the packet also. The water has come to a good boil. Now I'll add the noodles to it. I've separated the noodles little without breaking them. Let the noodles sit in water for 30 seconds. Here the water is also boiling nicely. Now with a fork I'll try to separate the noodles. This will help them from sticking. We need to cook them to 80 to 90%. The noodles should have a bite in them. The noodles are boiling for about 6 to 7 minutes now. This seems done now. I'll drain them. After I drain all the water, I'll give the noodles a cold water wash. This will stop the cooking process of the noodles and prevent overcooking. After the cold water wash, I like to spread the noodles on a plate and add some oil to it. Spread the noodles evenly on the plate. Now add little bit of oil to the noodles. Apply the oil to the noodles to prevent sticking. If there is any excess water in the noodles, that will also dry in this process. You can keep them in the strainer also, but make sure you apply oil to it. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Let this oil get hot. Keep the flame to maximum. Chinese cooking is done on high flame. I'll add chopped garlic and green chilies to it. Saute them for a few seconds. Now I'll add spring onion bulbs. Saute these also for a few seconds. Now I'll add rest of the veggies. In goes cabbage, carrot and capsicum. Saute them for 1 to 2 minutes. Do not overcook the veggies. We need a crunch in them. These are done now. I'll add some salt, soy sauce and Szechuan sauce. Go easy on salt as soy sauce and Szechuan sauce contain salt in it. This is my homemade Szechuan sauce. You can find the link to the recipe in the description box below. Mix and saute everything well. This is done. Now I'll add our cooked noodles. Mix the noodles with the veggies and the sauces well. You can even toss the noodles. Here I am using fork and spatula to mix the noodles. This seems to be done now. You can check the seasoning here. I'll add chopped spring onion greens for our final garnish. Szechuan noodles are ready. Enjoy! Hope you like this recipe. Do check out my other 2 recipes listed here on the screen. Also subscribe to my channel for more such recipes.